Everyone stand up. Hello everyone. Hello teacher. Everyone sit down. Okay, so my name is Wendy Kui and I'm your teacher today. So there are some rules in my class. Rule number 1, everyone say sit nicely. Again, sit nicely. Number 2, everyone say be quiet. Be quiet. And number 3, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Again, number 1, sit nicely. Number 2, be quiet. And number 3, raise your hand. So I divided our class into 4 teams. So this is team 1, this is team 2, team 3, and this is team 4. Okay, now so team 1, clap your hand. Team 2, wave your hands. Team 3, stand up. Okay, and team 4, turn around. Now, team 1, clap your hand. 1 star, team 1. Team 2, wave your hands. Very good. 1 star, team 2. Team 3, stand up. Team 3, sit out. 1 star, team 3. And team 4, turn around. Excellent. 1 star for team 4. Now, everyone, let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. Okay, let's sing a song. Now, so before watching, I want you to watch the video and then tell me what can you see in this video. Okay, now so are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Now so let's watch the video.
Number 1, who's gonna sing?
One little bear sings tra-la-la-la-la.
La 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 la. 2, number 2, who's gonna sing? 2 little birds sing tra la 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 la. La 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 la. 3, number 3, who's gonna sing?
3 little pigs sing tra-la-la-la-la.
La 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 la. 4, number 4, who's gonna sing?
4 little penguins sing tra-la-la-la-la.
La 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 la. 5, number 5, who's gonna sing?
5 little monkeys sing tra-la-la-la-la.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. La 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 la. 1, number 1, who's gonna dance?
One little bear dances hula 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 la.
Hula 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 la. 2, number 2, who's gonna dance? 2 little birds dance hula 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 la. Hula 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 la. 3, number 3, who's gonna dance?
3 little pigs dance hula 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 la.
Hula 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 la. 4, number 4, who's gonna dance?
4 little penguins dance hula 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 la.
Hula 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 la. 5, number 5, who's gonna dance?
5 little monkeys dance hula hula yoo-hoo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you ready to be a beaver?
Okay, now so what can you see in this video? Team 1, you see one bear, yes or no? It's correct. 1 star, team 1. How about team 4? You see number 4, yes or no? Yes, very good. Team 3 right, 1 star, team 3. And team 2, you see number 5 is correct. How about team 4? You can see 4 penguins. Oh, excellent. 1 star for team 4. Now, so today we are going to learn about numbers. So first one, can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Team 3? Bananas. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, correct. 1 star for team 3. Now everyone say bananas. Again, bananas. So I have how many bananas here? Now everyone, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now everyone say 5. 5 bananas. Again, 5 bananas. Now, so today we are going to learn about numbers. Now, so what is the day today? Everyone say Thursday. Okay, Thursday. August 20th. 26 is correct. Now everyone say Unit 1. Lesson 1. Numbers from 0 to 5. Now, so look at the first page right here. So, can you tell me how many bananas can you see here? How many bananas? Or can you see bananas here? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. So, no bananas. Or we call this one, everyone say 0. Now, everyone say 0. Zero. Again, 0. Team 1 and Team 2 say 0. Team 3 and Team 4 say 0. Very good. 1 star. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, and Team 4. Now, everyone say 0. Now, the next one, can you tell me how many bananas can you see here? 0? Yes or no? No, so you see. Now everyone say 1. 1, 1, 1. Again, 1, 1, 1. Team 2 and team 3 say 1. 1, 1, 1. 1 star, team 2, 1 star, team 3. Now, team 1 and team 4 say 1. 1, 1, 1. Excellent. 1 star, team 1 and 1 star, team 4. Now, I want to say 0. 0. 1. 1, 1, 1. How about this one? Can you tell me how many bananas here? Or how many bananas can you see here? Now, everyone, let's count. 1, 2. Now, everyone say 2. 2, 2, 2. Again. 2, 2, 2. 1 star, team 1. Now, 1 star for team say 0. 0. Team 3, 1 star. 1. 1, 1, 1. Team 4, 1 star. Now, 2. 2, 2, 2. 1 star. Team 1. Now, the next one, can you tell me how many bananas can you see here? Now, everyone, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now, everyone say 3. Ta 3. Again, ta 3. 1 star, team 4. Now, everyone say 3. Ta 3. Team 2, 1 star. Now, team 1 and team 3 say 3. Ta 3. Very good. 1 star, team 1 and 1 star, team 3. Now, I want to say 0. 0. 1. 1, 1, 1. 2. 2, 2, 2. 3. 3. Now, the next one, can you tell me we have how many bananas here? Now, everyone, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, everyone say 4. 4. Again, 4. How about the last one? Can you tell me how many bananas can you see here? Now, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, everyone say 5. 5. 5. 1 star for team 1, 1 star for team 4. Now, 1 star for team say 3. 3. 1 star team 2. 4. 4. 5. 5. 1 star for team 2. And 1 star for team 3. Now, everyone, clap your hand. Okay, clap your hand. Sit nicely. 1 star for team 1, 1 star for team 3, 1 star for team 4. How about team 2? Sit nicely. Very good. 1 star for team 2. Now, I want to say 0. 0. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. Now, so team 1 stand up. Team 1 say very good. 2 stars for team 1. How about Team 3. Team 3. Now team 3 stand up. Team 3 say excellent. 2 stars for team 3. How about team 2? Team 2 say very good. 2 stars for team 2. How about team 4? Team 4 stand up. Team 4 say great job. 2 stars for team 4. Who can? You. One star for team 1. Who can? You. Thank you. 1 star for team 3. The next one, you please. 1 star for team 2. Who can? You. Very good. 1 star for team 4. Now, let's play the game. Again, let's play the game. Now, so I have some question on the screen, and you raise your hand to answer the question. And if you correct, you get star for the team. Now, so are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Now, so let's play the game. The first one, I want to football game. Football game. Now, so the first question, okay. Team 2. Now, so can you tell me what number it is? We have number 1, just another one. Now, let's see. Yes. Now, this one, we have team 3. So can you tell me what number it is? We have number 4. Yes or no? Let's see the answer. We have team 3. Next, team 1. Now, team 1, can you tell me what number it is? Number 0. Is it alright? Excellent. Now the next team 4. So can you tell me what number is this one? We have number 3. Yes or no? Now let's see the answer. It's correct. Now the next one is team 2 again. Now team 2, can you tell me what number it is? Number 5. Very fast. Now let's see the answer. Number 5. And we have the last one, team 1. We have what number it is? We have its number 2. Yes or no, everyone? Now let's see the answer. It's number 2. One star for team 1. Now, open your book, page 5. In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 stars for team. Open your book, page 5. I see team 3. 2 stars for team 3. Team 4 2 stars for team 4 very fast team 1 2 stars how about team 2 open your book very good 2 stars for team 4 for team 2 I'm sorry for team 2 now I want to say 111 111 count write and say now I want to say A so count means đếm very good write means viết now so you count and write now I want to say A so how many apples here now I want let's count 1 2 3 4 5 and then you write number 5 so I want to say B again B so now let's count and write the number you have 1 minute to do this exercise 1 minute start now 3 2 1 everyone hands up hands down clap your hand now everyone say 111 B so we have how many orange here team 2 we have 3 orange yes or no now let's go 1 2 3 so you write number 3 1 star for a team now everyone say C how many bananas here team 4 we have 2 bananas yes or no now everyone let's count 1 2 so we have 2 bananas how about the last one we have how many pair here team 3 we have 1 pair yes or no let's see the answer we have 1 who have the correct answer raise your hand 1 star for team 1 1 star team 2 team 3 and team 4 now the next one everyone say 2 trace and march so trace means nghĩa là tô chữ rất chính xác and march means nối very good now so for example the first one I have 0 so I trace letter Z right and then I march you will do the same for 1 2 3 4 5 you have 2 minutes to do this exercise 2 minutes starts 3 2 1 everyone clap your hand again clap your hand now this one we have number 1 so we match with number 1 and we have 1 apple here the next one we have number 2 and then we match next one we have letter T and we have number 3 so we have with 3 apples the next one we have letter F and we have number 4 so the last one we have letter F and number 5 who have the correct answer raise your hand team 3 1 star team 1 1 star team 2 1 star how about team 4 team 4 1 star now so today we'll learn about numbers from 0 to 5 So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, so everyone, let's count the stars. We have team 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 stars. Team 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Team 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about team 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the winner is team 4. Now, so this is sticker for team 4. One sticker for you, one sticker for you. Okay, everyone stand up. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, teacher.